How's it going, YouTube? Always been into the idea of survival. I got all loads of books about it and I've never really tested myself. I've seen these videos on YouTube where they take £10, could be $10, €10, depending on what country you're from, just the clothes on their back, and they go off into the woods and they see how well they can do. So tonight I'm going to give it a go. It's not the best day ever, it's very blustery and grey. You don't have to eat to survive the night. Probably should drink some water. But it's more of a challenge to see how much you can thrive rather than survive. I'm going to get a fire going. I'm going to hopefully cook up some tea, depending on what I can find in the shop. Just choosing my clothes now. I think is the most important decision. A jumper, a coat, and then hat. Right, I'm either going with this, so you can pull the ears down, or this mental looking thing, which is going to be good for bugs, but it's not so warm. I look insane. I can't wait to get past the streets, get into the woods. It'll be alright then. Yeah, I might go for this one actually. £10 3p. It was the bag that done it. I thought I was on track, but just went over. £10 3. This is my best find. 4 by 5 meters sheeting. That's going to be my main shelter. I even managed to pick up a pillow, which I'm chuffed about. 99p. I got a little cutlery set. Awesome. This is going to be for cooking in and drinking water. And then I thought I'd do a curry, so I got some rice. A bit like naan breads. I'm going to use them for something else. And I got some Balti sauce and a bit of meat for the curry. So that is a big old meal there. And I thought I can use these for like a dessert afterwards. So I got a little thing of jam. Waffles for the morning. A couple of snacks as well. The most important thing is going to be to light the fire, so I got some lighters. So I think I got a good selection here. I really struggled with this, to be honest. I was wandering around there for ages. But I think with that selection, I'm not only going to survive, I'm going to be very comfortable as well. We shall see. Just using the first of my tins to collect a bit of nettles. So I'm going to use it to make some tea. This is a bag I just found down by there. Probably not the cleanest, but these are going to be boiled anyway, so there we go. First tin put to use. Come across my first option. Someone's been camping up here already. And they're obviously a bit scummy because they left all the cans in the corner. Second tray's been used. Bill Breeze my waffles in the morning. think there might be a cave up there. So I'm going to check that out. It's not the nicest ground for walking on if you got little dog paws. I've only gone and found a bloody cave. Didn't need the sheet. I got my shelter here. And what a view. That defeats the purpose of it, doesn't it? But it's hard to get to, that's the only thing, and the water is way down there. Another one to think about. Lovely place to sleep in this cave, but I don't think I'm going to. Can you guess why? Mr. Fox lives in there. Hey, you can stay out of Mr. Fox's den. Yeah, I don't fancy him walking past me in the night. That would be a bit freaky. And you would have a shock, wouldn't you? There'd be dogs and foxes fighting. Well, there's only a bloody another one right next to it. This is too easy. Give me a challenge. I'm not sure what to do now. There's a ready-made fireplace here for me. When the wind picks up, it's coming from this direction. It's quite exposed up here. I haven't seen anything as good. Managed to rip the arse of my trousers just now, climbing the fence. First time I've ever done that, got stuck in a barbed wire. Found a spot I'm a lot more happy with. I've just found the perfect log as well. This is going to be the front of the shelter. So that's sort of my door. And then back here then I'm going to have the sticks coming down on the plastic sheet. The fire will go in front. Got a water source. It's lovely and sheltered, so happy days. Just say she's freezing. We're right next to the fire. Freezing here. Oh no! Look how warm it is there. Still shivering. I think we've got to go on and make a shelter, haven't we? I mean, she's not helping. Trying to boil some water now, it's just a smoky mess. It has got some heat to it. All the wood I'm trying to put on is really wet. That's my nettle tea. I got water and water. I'm hoping to get a drink sometime tonight. At the moment it's not going well. Shelter has not come out as well as I hoped to. It looks awful. I was hoping this sheet was going to come underneath me as well. I mean, there's plenty of room to sleep in, yeah. Right now I'm not feeling good about it. I look at it like, just look at it. Right, I'm going to cover it with ferns. See if I can get a sort of bed inside. And make it look a little bit better, hopefully. Gotta admit, I was so close to packing it in just now. Real low point when I saw my shelter. But my nettle tea is done. Poppy has now accepted the place, so it must be alright. I've got some ferns all over it to insulate it, and also pick my morale up because it's looking better. Ferns are so sharp. I had one little spike in my finger. You've got to try and pull them out from the roots if you can. Doing a little curry now. Feeling a lot better about my spot. Oh, legs are burning, huh? Fire's going quite good. Can I keep it going all night? I'm just going to have to keep waking up, putting an extra log on. These little tins have worked out quite good. They're easy to puncture and crush, that's the only thing. You've got to be careful. Well, they seem to be good to cook in. The Balti is done. There's even some leftovers. I got 2 trays full. There's another sausage for that. And they come in takeaway trays. Who would have thunk it? It looks well comfy, but I bet it's full of beasties. I wish I had more sheep to put over the top of it. Well, it's a little tight. They'll do the job. Yeah, I think we're good. Can you check out Doug? There we go. Lovely. A little bit claustrophobic. That is built for warmth. Going on the last hunt for wood before it gets dark. So the question is, how have I ended up cooking my morning waffles in the house? I laid in that shelter last night for about 2 hours. Could not go to sleep. Dog was snoring in my Ural. I was dehydrated. Every time the fire started going out, it was getting cold. So then I have to get up, put a bit more wood on. And I just thought, I'm just not happy, yeah? What am I doing? So for the first time ever, I evacuated the campsite, dismantled the shelter, and walked back in the dark. What did I learn from the experience? It is hard going. You might think you can do it, but you take away that tent and that sleeping bag, the little luxuries they're used to, it is hard. That's all I'm going to say. I had little high points, like making my curry and, you know, getting the fire going, making the shelter was fun. But that kind of camping is not for me. So next time, hopefully I'll stay out all night. I could have just said, yeah, done it mate. But I thought may as well come clean and say I did evacuate in the middle of the night. And I'm glad I did.